What's up guys, we're back at Damon's shed and today we are working on the E36. There's heaps going on here today, big 4-wheel drive truck builds, but we're back working on the E36. Lots to get done on this thing and Damon is still working away on this manifold, but it's coming along nicely. He's literally finishing it off right now, so I'll show you guys how it looks once it's all back together. We've got some new parts, super exciting. Brand new Mishimoto radiator. Got the beautiful expansion tank, this stuff is next level. Got the Walbro pump, we've got the bracket and the boot. Nice new surge tank sitting there. That's pretty much where it's going to go, to be honest. And then we've just got a bunch of other random crazy small jobs to get done. So we've got to rip out the old radiator and we're just tidying a whole bunch of stuff up, getting this thing nice and reliable for the track. I'm going to rip out the driver's seat and weld some reinforcement onto the handbrake plate because it's a little bit flexible at the moment. And just tidying things up generally. Damon's doing all the hard work, to be honest. Super excited, this thing is making crazy progress. We've got Formula Drift on the big screen, living the dream. Got the driver's seat out. So we're just looking at reinforcing this handbrake because the plate's just a little bit, it moves a little bit too much, so I'm just going to weld in some plates underneath here to reinforce it to the tunnel and she should be good to go. And it's all finished. The whole thing's, is it done?
Apart from wastegate and then deck the flanges.
The whole manifold is done. We will be adding a wastegate pipe somewhere here when the wastegate arrives, but it's not here yet. So yeah, but this is it done. It looks so freaking nice. So as you can see, we've got 3 into 1 coming up around and 3 into 1. I think this is the best way that you can do it in terms of flow. And then it collects up here to a nice big opening for maximum flow on the turbo, but this just looks too good to go in my car, to be honest. It's so nice. Well done, Damon. Okay, I've got a story to tell you. I bought a car because I was going to use the drivetrain in the E36, but then it turns out the E36 engine, like block and pistons were fine and I just needed a new head on it, so I just went ahead and got a refreshed head, put that on it as you guys saw. So the car that I bought, which is this one right here, an E36 Vert, I didn't need it anymore. I bought this thing for 500 Australian dollars, which is crazy. It's manual, as you can see here, manual, and it's a 328i, so the 2.8 litre, same engine as I've got in the E36, just not turbo. I thought, well, I don't need the car anymore, so I gave it to Damon. Damon now owns this car. He just got it registered, which means he can drive it on the street, but we've bought coilovers for it, all new bushes for it, welded diff, and he's going to drift this thing. He's going to weld a cage in it, which is real exciting. Yeah, fun story. Cool, so Damon was really disappointed at the seat mounts that I had made and had in my car. They weren't very good and Damon didn't think they were safe, so we've stopped working on the car and we are now making brand new seat mounts so that passenger and driver are always safe. So we've got some 5mm plate on the ground, bolted straight to the stock bolts on the car, and then we've got some 40mm boxing that literally is going to weld to the 5mm bar, and the seat has the seat plates, which the seat plates will weld to the 40mm bar, so it's going to be super strong. And one of the biggest issues that you have when you're trying to install a driver's seat in E36 is getting it center of the steering wheel. So I've always sat a little bit to the right of this, like, so it's not perfectly centered because it's just the way that they're made. It's really hard to get it all the way that way by inverting these seat brackets. So as you can see, usually they come out this way, but we've inverted it in so that we can push it all the way as far as we can to the left, and that's pretty much got us center. We've also got our little reinforcement plate which fits perfectly under here. Damon's going to weld that to our bracket that we've already got welded in there. It's just going to give it some more reinforcement in the back so that it doesn't flex when we pull the handbrake. there we have it. Seats all bolted up. Got the little eyelet bolts for the seat belts. It's come straight up and through here, so much safer and at the correct height now as well. Look good. Gave it a quick vacuum on the inside because it's not going to get vacuumed again once the seats are in. Now we're going to chuck the seat in. Seats are in. Oof. Looking super tidy, nice and sturdy. The mounts are awesome, belts are in. Looks good. We are about to go ahead and fit the new turbo manifold for the first time since it's been completely welded up. We've made a nice wee gap in the middle here just for to allow for movement. It's time to fit this bad boy. Yes, doesn't fit, take it back. Jesus. How good does that look, eh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Wow. Chuck the turbo on.
Get some of them next week.
This is how it all looks down the back. Wow. It's such a unique looking manifold setup. Like, you aren't gonna see this anywhere else. But it just looks so good, you know? Like when you pop the bonnet and that's staring you in the face. Once it goes gold from the heat as well. Looks good, man. Looks so good. Got a wee turbo just sitting there.
Jump's gonna sort of
Oh wow.
something like this.
Ooh, that's nice. Man, this dude works quickly. Look at that. Downpipe coming together. And that is why we made the manifold somewhat go up instead of down mount, but bottom mount, but like top, bottom,
Mid mount.
mid mount. Damon continues to make progress on the dump pipe. Get it in there, mate. There you go. Is it done?
Oh, close enough. Start welding it up.
Dump pipe. Wow, it's all tacked together. Dump pipe through here. Comes back. And down. Very simple, and then of course that, and then it'll go all the way down the back. It'll come back here, it'll be like pew, pew, pop up, bam, 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 bam. The dump pipe's coming together. It's just tacked for the moment. Needs to be welded, and then Damon's doing the rest of the exhaust tomorrow because he works all the time. Time to wrap the video up there, guys. I'm once again back off home, but we're making some crazy progress with the E36, and really it's just going to be a completely different car by the time we hit the track in 3 weeks time. I hope you guys are enjoying the episodes. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and it's Mike Lake for all the behind the scenes updates. Feel free to leave a comment as well, guys. I love chatting. Thanks for watching. Peace.